Tired of fumbling with your credit card every time you shop online? Apple Pay offers a super simple and secure way to pay on websites and in apps, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it in just a few easy steps. First, find something you want to buy from a website or app that supports Apple Pay, add the item to your cart, and proceed to checkout. Look for the Apple Pay button. It usually says Buy with Apple Pay or displays the Apple Pay logo. Tap on that button. The Apple Pay interface will appear. You'll see your default card display. If you want to use a different card, tap on the card shown. A list of cards linked to your Apple Pay account will appear. Select the card you wish to use for this purchase. Now, authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, depending on your device. Once authenticated, you'll see a confirmation screen with a check mark indicating that your payment was successful. The website or app will then process your order. You'll typically be redirected to an order confirmation page on the website or app. That's it. You've successfully used Apple Pay to make a purchase online. Apple Pay keeps your card details private and secure, making online shopping a breeze. So ditch the credit card clutter and start enjoying the convenience of Apple Pay. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips.